Alright, well today we're going to cook some over easy eggs on a cast iron griddle. Just take and crack your eggs and put it on a hot griddle, about medium heat. And you don't need very much grease, or you can actually use butter. In this case I've used bacon grease. You could use coconut oil or whatever you like. But we got some bacon grease on our griddle. Got our egg cracked there, and I'm going to do me another one here in just a minute. Get that out of the way. Had a piece of eggshell fell off in there. We don't want that in there for sure. That's never a good thing to have crunchy eggshells in your over easy eggs. So let's crack another one and get it on there. Get it started. And we'll let these things cook down. As soon as the egg white cooks up solid, we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to these for flavoring. Certainly like salt and pepper on my eggs. How about you? Well, let's see. I've got some bacon I need to pull up here too, and frying a little bacon as we go along in this video, just to show you an over easy egg. But I got to have some bacon with my eggs of the morning. Love that bacon. How about you? So, all right. Well, we're going to take salt and pepper this other egg that we cracked and put on the griddle, and take a look at this. Get a plate here and see if we can get ready to plate this one up. Pull it, it's getting close. But we'll take our spatula, and before we do that, I'm going to add me a little bit more bacon here to get it frying up. Make sure we got plenty of bacon to go with our breakfast this morning. Love it bacon. Yeah, nothing like frying bacon in a good old cast iron skillet. Alright, let's take and see how this one looks. It's pretty cooked as far as the egg white is concerned. The yolk's still runny. But we're going to cook an over easy egg here, so we just flip that dude over lightly, and we're going to just let it grill for just a few minutes, or a few seconds actually, not minutes, but just a few seconds to probably pretty close. Let's take a look and see. Let's see if this is what we're looking for. Oh yeah, it come loose easy. Look at that. Oh yeah, that egg yolk, it's grilled just a little bit, but it's not grilled too much. It's still runny. I'll show you this. I'll crack this a little bit. See there? That yolk is still runny. That's an over easy egg. Now it's not a sunny side. If we wanted to make a sunny side, we'd have left it like that until the egg white completely cooked. The yolk could be still up like that. That's a sunny side egg, sunny side up. But that's not what we're doing today. We're doing over easy eggs on a griddle, cast iron griddle, large cast iron griddle. Boy, I just love this griddle, man. There's so many things you can do with it. They're so versatile, so easy to keep clean too. And they fit perfectly on these gas stoves, like this 2-burner gas stove. Well, I shouldn't have done that. That yolk was still, or that white was still a little runny. Anyway, I didn't say we was cooking perfect eggs today. I said we're cooking eggs over easy. So let's go ahead and get another one on the grill and get this thing cracked here a little bit. Get that dude there, and this end's a little hotter than that other end, so. But we'll go ahead and season it up with a little salt and pepper too. Get it ready while this other one's cooking. And I'm going to turn my heat up on the back burner back there a little bit. Check this one here and see if it's ready. Oh, broke that yolk, or broke that white. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and flip her, and it'll be just fine. It'll still be over easy, no problem. And that's how you do it without breaking the yolk. Got another one here grilling up real quick. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull this one up and put it on our plate. Yeah, better wait a minute, give it a second here. Okay. Now, there you go. There's another egg over easy. See how that looks? Give me just a second here. We'll let this other one cook down. And so like I said, this end's a little bit hotter. That egg white is starting to cook up, turning white. Alright, let's go ahead. Everything's pretty firm. It's still The white's a little runny yet, but we're going to go ahead and flip it. Let it cook on that side for just a few seconds. I'm going to turn my heat off. That griddle's going to hold heat anyway and continue to cook. Let this cook for just a few more seconds. Oh, look at those eggs, man. Over easy runny eggs. I love it. All right, let's get ready and check this one out here. I think it's just about ready. We'll flip it and look. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me put this on here, and I just want to show you this. Look at that yolk. See that? It's cooked. All the white is cooked, and but yet the yolk is still runny. Now, that's an over easy egg. That's perfect. Look at that. Look at, oh my goodness. You talking about good. All right, there we have it. Over easy eggs cooked on a Lodge cast iron griddle.